If you don't wash your zero turn at least once in a while, you may want to reconsider after watching this video. I'm the Everyday Man, and today I'm going to show you how I clean my zero turn. It's very quick and simple. Summer's coming. That means 90 plus temperatures in Ohio at least. And you run this thing for hours on end with grass all over the intakes and the fans and everything, you could be in for a problem. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is lower the deck. That way you have better access on top of the deck where we're going to be cleaning. First, remove the middle panel to expose the pulley system. Next, remove the 4 bolts on each side cover to expose the outer pulleys. It's not necessary to remove the bolts, just loosen them enough to get the covers off. Now that it's opened up, it's really easy to remove the grass, leaves, and sticks that are trapped inside. I just use my hands to pull it all out, but what you don't want to do is try and remove all of this with a garden hose spray. It turns into a thick mat, and it'll take much longer than my method. What you have to remember is there's 2 more air fans or intakes on a zero turn. You have to clean them off, and I'm going to show you where they are. You can see dirt built up here. Right, this is, I'm going to vacuum that up, and I'm going to move a screwdriver around in there just to loosen that. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see the fan blades down in there. That grass is wrapped around the fan blade. There's one on the left for the left handle, and there's one on the right, and that one even looks like it's got more grass on it. These 2 fans keep the left and right direct drive motors from overheating and need to be clear of debris. Don't forget to get around the engine. That grass can act like a heat sink and make the engine run hotter. I'm using the narrow tip on the vacuum to get into the tight spots around the engine. Next, I'm washing off the rest of the grass and dirt with the garden hose. I like to use a spray degreaser to prep the areas where grease and dirt accumulate. And to do the actual washing, I use car wash brushes and a car wash soap. There's a lot of tight spaces to get into, so a smaller brush comes in handy. Okay, so that's the front half. To finish the front, I'm putting the left and right spindle guards back on. Just fit them onto the loosened bolts and tighten them. Okay, now we're going to hit the back side and gently on the engine, and we're done. I don't recommend using a power washer because of the high pressure. So this baby's 10 years old. In my opinion, it looks like brand new. It runs like brand new, and I think just doing this basic wash, getting the grass out where it's just sitting there soaking up water every time it rains, get that out of there, get the mud off of it. You're going to be way farther ahead. It's going to look great, and you have a little pride in it, right? So I hope this video helped you out, because this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.